So over here in the application toolbar, you can see that there are a number of tools right here. But let's say you want to go ahead and change that out and enable and disable many tools. In that case, you can go to the tools menu and then go to preferences right here. And then around over here on the general section, you can see that you have an option to go ahead and add in these things as well. For example, you can enable add all to queue and then add selection to queue on the toolbar right here. Once you go ahead and enable it and then go back, you will be able to see add to queue, add selection over here as well. And similarly, you can go ahead onto preferences and delete the one that you don't want as well. And that is by unchecking it and you don't see that tool anymore. And that is how you can go ahead and customize out the application toolbar by adding those two queue settings right here. Right now I don't have this video, so it's not actually working, but you can see that this is how you can go ahead and customize the interface by utilizing the toolbar settings in Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.